This is the bullion knot. It is a long, thin knot that lays on the fabric. It looks a little bit kind of like a worm or a longer seed. To make this, we come up on one side of our knot, pull our thread all the way through so we feel it flush with the back. I like to hold my thread off to one side, and then I'm going to bring my needle back down where I want the other end of my bullion knot. But I'm not going to push my needle and thread all the way through. I'm going to pop the tip of my needle back up right next to where I'm coming out of the fabric and push that almost all the way through, but so it's resting in the fabric. Then I like to prop my finger underneath my needle here. Then we'll take the thread that is coming out of the fabric, gently wrap that around our needle. And we want to wrap enough so all of the wraps that are sitting on our needle will fill in this space here. So we want to just keep wrapping, make sure they're nice and close together, not overlapping. And this is probably a little more than what I want here, but that's okay. After we've done our wraps, we pinch those together around our needle, and we gently tug our needle here, kind of wiggle as you pull through. And we want to keep pinching those wraps and gently pull that thread so everything is now smushed on one side. And then we pull our needle and thread to the other side and continue to smush down our wraps so they fill in that space. And then we bring our needle back down on the side our thread is pointing to. And that is our bullion knot.